Hello, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video is going to be talking about, frustration. So a good story, in my opinion, frustration is caused from a lack of consistent, sustainable steps that allow you to move forward in your business and your life. A good story about this was, um, okay, that's a good one. I was doing e-commerce and I had been trying to get products from a local thrift store, um, buy it from the thrift store, put it up, and I didn't actually know which products were going to sell, right? But then one day I discovered, hey, this thing that I'm trying to go, it was on eBay. eBay will tell me exactly which products have sold in the past. So when I'm at the thrift store, if I have my phone with me and there's a Wi-Fi connection or I use my mobile data, I can literally look at the item that I have in my hand, say, "Hey, how much has it sold for on eBay in the past?" And if the price of the item that I was going to get it for was significantly lower than the price that I had sold for on eBay, I knew to buy it. It's the same thing with your business today. Once you know exactly what is going to, start moving you towards that right direction, as I've found for my coaching business, then it allows you to be able to move that much faster and avoid a lot of the mistakes that I had to make, to get to this point where I am today and where I've shown some of my clients how to do the same thing. You know, one way that you can start moving forward towards that is to go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, it gives you everything you need to start moving, towards the life that I believe you deserve. So for me, for example, I'm generally more of a homebody during the day. I don't really like talking to people during the day. I don't mind doing it at nighttime, but I don't. If I don't want to go someplace and I want to instead just be either around my house or in a secluded office someplace, then I'm able to do so. But before I figured this out, I would have to either go to work, go to school, do stuff I didn't want to do, have to go to networking events, different things. But once I figured it out, now I can just be at home shooting videos just like this, and my clientele just keeps going up, up, and up. Now, I'd love to be able to try and help you guys do the same thing. So, the first way that we can start doing that is for you to go get inside that group so I can give you that step by step instruction. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information that you just started to receive. Have a great day, see you later, and take it easy.